The Google Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro are among the most anticipated Android phones of 2023. Based on Google's previous launch timeline, it should release in around October. But given how popular Pixel phones are, news and leaks surrounding them always keep trickling. Renders have already given us a clear look at the Pixel 8, hinting at its more compact form factor than the Pixel 7. Now, a new leak confirms Google's upcoming baby Pixel will pack a smaller display than its predecessor. While the Pixel 6 and 7 pack a 6.32-inch display, Google will seemingly use a smaller 6.16-inch OLED panel on the Pixel 8. While this might not seem like a big deal, the reduction in screen size should help make the Pixel 8 a lot more compact. It would also make the phone slightly larger than the Pixel 6 or 7a, which sports a 6.1-inch OLED panel. There are hardly any compact Android flagships with decent battery life and top-notch specs. With a smaller 6.16-inch panel and a more compact footprint, the Pixel 8 could easily fill that gap in the Android ecosystem. Meanwhile, it is reported that Google is turning to Samsung Display once again for its next-generation high-end smartphones. The South Korean firm will reportedly start the mass production of OLED screens for the Pixel 8 series sometime in May 2023, which should give the company enough time to launch the smartphone before the end of this year. While no information has been released regarding the OLED panel specifications for the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro, we expect the former to feature full HD plus resolution and a 90 or 120 Hz refresh rate. The latter might have a QHD plus resolution display and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Both panels could have Gorilla Glass Victus protection and an in-display fingerprint reader. Both upcoming Pixel smartphones are expected to feature the Tensor G3 chipset that's largely based on the Exynos 2300 chipset that Samsung could introduce sometime later this year. We already saw these two phones in CAD-based renders last month, and they suggest Google will drop the currently used flat sides. It will keep the slightly rounded edges, as well as the camera bar that makes the Pixel phone stand out. So how do you like these new compact upcoming Google Pixel devices? Will it be a great option to have a compact phone instead of bigger one? Let us know your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.